Is her head close to the ground? Don't know if you should be asking that after you do it.
Stop!
Did your head hit the ground though?
Yeah.
Oh!
Can you do it in there? Can I bounce in there, please?
Why?
Because. Let me up in the ball.
Sure. How do you do that? No.
I told you, stop! Let's do it in there.
That was an accident. Gonna fall down? Okay. Okay. Where?
Oh,
Oh, where?
look at her.
Fingers? Do you care now? Or do you want to go on the ball? Yeah. Yeah. What about your fingers? Should we be worried about your fingers? We'll take you to emergency.
Oh my gosh. Oh, your poor neck. Okay, say bye,
Clang,
video.
clang, clang.
Okay, you gotta put the car seat in.
It's in.